Hello friends, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. Welcome to yet another episode of Friday Sews. The purpose of doing today's video is to showcase my recent makes, share with you 5 very easy to sew patterns that any sewing level will not be disappointed because the styling is so great. It's modern, at the same time classic, and the main point that I'm trying to make is that when you are a beginner sewer, you're not sure, then choosing an easy pattern and choosing an inexpensive fabric from a place like Walmart can really give you some confidence that okay, if it doesn't come exactly as you had envisioned, then you can still, you're not down $50 and you're not disappointed. So you can experiment and play with it. So that's the beauty of Walmart. So keep checking your local Walmart for fabrics, and you never know, because the Walmart mystery bundles are, I think, like dead stock or inventory clearance type fabrics. So you can luck out. You have to be just persistent, go to your Walmart over and over every week, and you might find one or two that you find. Also, you have to look. You have to remove, the fabrics. Sometimes they can be buried underneath. So you have to dig out your treasure. So every time I find a $2, $4, $5 fabric from Walmart, it's like, yes, I scored. And I really like that feeling. So with that, let's start today's video and I will show you all my makes. In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 tops that I made using Walmart fabrics and 5 big 4 patterns that I used to sew them with. All of these patterns are easy to sew and very beginner friendly. So let's start the video. So the very first pattern I have chosen is Simplicity 9690. It is an easy to sew pattern. It says right here on the pattern envelope, I made view B, and please don't get confused because in the back you will see a guide for stretch knits, but the tops are for woven fabrics. So that is what I have made. Truly, this is a very easy to sew pattern. I think it's just 2 pieces. So you cut the front 2 pieces, back 2 pieces. You make a center seam and then you join with the shoulder extending to the sleeves and then the sides. And you hem it, make the neckline, and that's it. 1 to 2 hours sew. Very, very beginner friendly. Now let me show you my make. So this is my top that I created using the pattern Simplicity 9690. I am absolutely in love with these sleeves. And now let's talk about this fabric. I bought it as a fabric bundle from Walmart. I believe it was $4 for about 2 yards. This is some kind of a rayon challis. It could be a blend, I'm not sure. And I did some embellishments with some lace that I had ordered from Amazon. So I am so in love with this top, and because of the pattern I can wear it with black pants, white pants or blue jeans. So very versatile, easy to sew. Guys, give this a try. The next pattern I have is Butterick 6685. This is their fast and easy patterns. Whenever you see fast and easy on a Butterick, it's like an easy to sew. It's a 1 to 2 hour project. I believe I made in the view B, and I also made the belt or the sash to go with it. It's a very easy to sew pattern. I have seen other people make it on YouTube, so there is a lot of inspiration. This is a 2019 pattern, so I believe it should be still in print, and if you want, you should be able to find it in your local Joann's or simplicity.com. So now let me share with you my make. So this is my top that I created with this pattern. This is the belt, and the length of the top comes out very beautiful, and the neckline is very nice. The facings stay in place, and best of all are the sleeves. Oh, I did the double sleeve view. And now let's talk about the fabric. I think this fabric cost me $3 for a mystery bundle from Walmart. It's some kind of a crepe, polyester crepe, and it wasn't the easiest to sew with, to be honest, but the result is awesome. I got so many compliments when I wore it to work. So the combination of that pattern and this fabric is just awesome. This is my all-time favorite top pattern, Butterick 6486. It is from 2017, but peplum style is still going on. It's still very hot, and I've made it 3 times, but I made it 1 time with the Walmart fabric, so I'm going to share with you that one very soon. And every time I've made view B, the fit comes out great. It's slightly loose fitting and looks very boho chic to me, and I absolutely love this pattern. Very easy to sew, very beginner friendly. I think this is still in print, and you can get a copy if you like. Butterick 6486, highly recommend, hands down my favorite top pattern. So this is my make, my top that I created with the Butterick top pattern I just showed, 6486. This is not a mystery bundle. This is a regular cotton fabric from Walmart. It was $4.44 a yard when I bought it, and I think I bought about 2.5 yards, and I still got a little bit of a piece left over, but I'm absolutely in love with this print. And I also added this lace. The lace is also from Walmart. I think it was $1. And the finish came so neat, and the flounce on the sleeve looks so gorgeous. This is one of my all-time favorite tops. So you guys can even check out the fabrics from Walmart. They are not super inexpensive, but they are not expensive at all. Their cotton fabric is usually like the sale price from Walmart, from Joann or Hobby Lobby, and the fabric is very soft. It's almost like a quilting cotton. It's a nice fabric. The next pattern is Butterick 6215. It says very easy, fast and easy. So 1 to 2 hours sewing time. This is like a raglan sleeve, and I made, I believe, yeah, I made it in a view. I made it in a view B, but I didn't add the ruffle because I think I have too many things with ruffles. I love ruffles, but on this one I decided to not add it. And it came together very fast. People who are intimidated when it comes to setting sleeves in a woven, you can try this one. And not only is it good for cotton and summery fabrics, but if you get like a wool shawl or stole type fabric, you can create it for winter time and wear it with leggings. That will also look very nice. So this is the top that I created with the fabric pattern 6215. As you can see, I did not add a ruffle. This fabric was $8, 3 yards for $8 from Walmart, and I made 2 garments with it. This one top and another top. I think I could have easily made a dress, but I was into sewing tops at the time, so I made this one. I really like it. What do you guys think? So the last pattern is Butterick 6814. It is this flounce top, and this pattern is from 2021. It's fairly recent, so you should be easily able to find it in Joann's or simplicity.com. I made it 2 times. I fell in love with this top, and I made the long sleeves with the ruffle and also the flounce on the neckline. So anytime you have some kind of a drapey, flowy fabric, consider this. Fitting comes out great as it's not very tight fitting. You see? It's not like cinching in the waistline anywhere, but still I felt like I could have given it slightly more A-line towards the hip and just for like half an inch or so for more ease, especially when you sit down. So, but other than that, great pattern. If you love flounce, then I'm all for flounces, ruffles, tears. I like that romantic styling with flowy, swishy garments. Those are the type of garments I like personally. So if you like those, you should give this a try. And now let me show you my make. So this is my top with Butterick 6814. And look how nice the flounce looks. And it goes all over. It's not just, in a lot of ready to wear, I see it only in the front, but it's there in the back also. And look at these sleeves. Gorgeous, right? And you can tuck it in if you want cinching. Yeah, there is one view where you can add elastic in the waistline. So this fabric was $3 or $4 from Walmart for a 2-yard bundle, and I snagged it. It sewed up pretty nicely. The only one thing is that the color bleeds a little, so I have to be careful when I wash to not mix it with any light colors. That's the thing with cheap fabric, the colors are not fast. Sometimes they can bleed. Alright friends, so thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some sewing inspiration and maybe you found a pattern that you would like to add to your collection. And also maybe I was make a point across that cheap fabric does not mean bad fabric, and you can still create beautiful wearable garments from fabric that you found at your local Walmart. So thank you so much guys. Have a great weekend. Happy shopping, happy sewing, and please leave your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.